Hey everyone, sorry I can't be with you today. I don't know if Craig's told you, but I'm in quarantine. My husband actually came down with COVID. I was minimally around him, but given that I have to quarantine for 14 days. I won't be with you for the next couple of class periods. So far, I'm feeling okay though. Believe me, I'd much rather be at class with you. But I'm going to take this opportunity to introduce you to the puppy. Here's Blue. He says hi. He's kind of tired right now, but some of you have been wanting to meet him, and he's a really sweet puppy. So there you go. Maybe someday I'll bring him to class. What do you think? Hey! Okay, so I am going to give you a quick overview on some of the fluffier stuff from Buzzer Up, which is our next game that we're going to be doing. All right, so in marketing, we have this concept called the marketing mix. And the marketing mix contains the 4 P's of marketing, which are product, price, place, and promotion. Sometimes they talk about a 5th P, which is packaging. For the point of this case, our marketing mix is going to consist of the 4 P's, but packaging is very important as well. So our current product is an energy drink that has electrolytes and all the goodies that you need in order to rehydrate after working out. So the current flavor of Buzzer Up is lemon lime. However, you have the option of adding new flavors. So your options are orange, cherry, fruit punch, and kiwi. You can add none. You can add 1, 2, 3, or 4. You have to add them in this order though. Obviously, as you add more flavors, you have people, you're satisfying the tastes of more customers. But as you add more flavors, you're also adding more costs, and that's in the story. All right, currently Buzzer Up is only sold in Minnesota. It's a Minnesota-based company, so its distribution is only in Minnesota. You have some options to expand. You're looking at Texas and California for expansion. These are 2 states that have very large populations. Obviously, as you expand, there are more distribution costs. However, you're reaching more people, so you have the potential for more sales, right? So your options are to not expand, only to sell in Minnesota. You can expand to California, so you'd be selling in California and Minnesota. You can expand to Texas, so you'd sell in Minnesota and Texas, or you can expand to California and Texas, so you would be in all 3 markets. And honestly, it's not uncommon for companies to expand this way. They'll start in one geographic region, and then they'll go to another one and another one as they find success. It's very expensive to distribute nationwide right away. All right, so in this situation, we have a couple of promotion options. So first, we're going to look at celebrity endorsers. As you know, a lot of athletes, musicians, and well-known people serve as celebrity endorsers for various products. So in this situation, you have the option of using one of these 3 celebrity endorsers. Move me a little bit. Your first option is KDA. She's a Minnesota-based chef that has recently landed a role on a nationwide cooking show. Her fee as a spokesperson is $10,000. There's Jimmy Rett, a nationally known country music singer that has a unique sound combining pop and country. Jimmy Rett's fee is $25,000. And Alex Clark is a U.S. Olympic gold medalist swimmer, winning 5 gold and 3 silver medals in the 2016 Summer Olympics. Alex Clark's fee as a spokesperson is $50,000. Now, when we're looking at celebrity endorsers, we want to make sure that the people who are our target customers, or what we call our target market, resonate with these individuals. So, for example, if I'm selling my product in Minnesota, I probably would have a lot of individuals who know who KDA is. If I'm selling my product in Texas, I would probably have a lot of people who know who Jimmy Rett is. And so you have to think about who, what celebrities do my consumers, my customers follow, and who are going to be the most successful in communicating the benefits of my product to that market. And so, as you can see, the lesser known costs less, and the more well known cost more. And so, you have to think about that. So, think about which markets you're going to enter and which celebrity endorser you're going to use. You also have to pick a promotion percentage. So for the sports energy drink industry, there's some different ways that they also do promotions. A lot of them are are at the point of purchase. So when you're buying the products or services. So you might see a display like this, Mountain Dew display. So Buzzer Up might do something like that. They might do a buy one get one free or a two for $3, or maybe they'll send out coupons or have a coupon on the bottle that you peel off. I mean, you see these things when you're in the store, and they can be very effective. Um, and usually it's a dollar off or a percentage off, or sometimes it's just being at the checkout when somebody says, "Oh, I want a Buzzer Up." You've all probably done that where you're checking out and you're like, "Oh, I'm thirsty. I'll grab this." So you need to pick a promotion percentage, which is 3 to 10% of sales or revenues, right? And then lastly, you have to think of all these things that we just talked about, and you have to come up with a price. All right, so currently it costs $1.20 to make Buzzer Up with one flavor, and the current price or sales price is $1.50. Now take into consideration if you're adding flavors and you're adding um, promotions to your budget and you have a celebrity endorser, how that's going to impact your costs and how much you need to charge for the Buzzer Up. And so you need to choose based on the other decisions that you've made whether you are going to set a price of between $1.50 to $3. All right. And so obviously you can look at your demand curve to see how price influences demand in this situation. All right, so again, I miss you all. Wish I was there with you. I hope you all stay healthy and safe and don't have to quarantine like we are. And I'll see you in a couple weeks. Bye.